Hello and welcome to the English Cookie. Today we are going to learn how to tell time in English. This is something we use every single day when we wake up, go to school, go to work or meet someone. So let's make it simple and easy to understand. First, let's learn how to ask the time. You can say, "What time is it? Can you tell me the time?" Or, "Do you have the time?" We say time usually in this format. If it is 7 hours and 5 minutes, we say it is 7:05. If it is 7 hours and 10 minutes, we say it is 7:10. We use o'clock when the minutes are 0. For example, if it is 1 hour and 0 minutes, we say it is 1 o'clock. If it is 5 hours and 0 minutes, we say it is 5 o'clock. When the minutes are after the hour, we use past. For example, if it is 7 hours and 5 minutes, we say it is 5 past 7. If it is 7 hours and 10 minutes, we say it is 10 past 7. If it is 7 hours and 15 minutes, we say it is 15 past 7 or quarter past 7. If it is 7 hours and 30 minutes, we say it is 30 past 7 or half past 7. When minutes are before the next hour, we use to. For example, if 10 minutes remain for 7 o'clock, we say 10 to 7. That means 10 minutes to 7 o'clock. If 15 minutes remain to 7 o'clock, we say 15 to 7 or quarter to 7. We say AM if it is morning time and we say PM if it is afternoon or night. Now it's your turn to guess the time. Now on the screen you can see there is a time which is showing 3 hours and 15 minutes. Can you tell me what is the correct method to tell the time? If your answer is 15 past 3, it is the correct answer. And if your answer is quarter past 3, it is again the correct answer. Now the next question. In the next question, you can see it is showing 7 hours and 45 minutes. Can you tell me what is the correct method to tell the time? If your answer is 15 to 8, it is the correct answer. And if your answer is quarter to 8, it is again the correct answer. Now the third one, it is showing 10 hours and 30 minutes. Can you guess the correct method? If your answer is half past 10, it is correct answer. And if your answer is 30 past 10, it is again the correct answer. Now one more. You can see it is showing 2 hours and 10 minutes. What is the correct method? If your answer is 10 past 2, it is the correct method. So, if you have guessed all the correct answers, congratulations, you have understood how to tell the time. Now, a small tip. Practice telling time every day by looking at the clock and speaking aloud. If you like the video, please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe the English Cookie.